He's gonna go.
What's up, guys? It's Noble Nick here. We're at the NEOH Wolf Games tournament here in Ohio, Massillon. And this is round one, and we're facing Mother Ewe, or however pronounced it. Mother Ewe. Oh, okay. Not you. And I got the Omnicron army with Savaris and Taylor, 4 squads of Omnicrons. She has Zelrig with 2 squads of Greenscales, Raylin, and Krav, even though one looks like a Mara.
Yeah, they got one there, and their whole move has to be
We got the, I don't know what map this is, but there's lava and ice. We got disengage, a solo +1 defense.
Think about it.
Thinking where I want my other.
Yeah, got lots of choices there.
Oh yeah.
Raylin, Dragon Bonding, Krav.
Green scales, like so many different options.
Right.
These were, if they were the same two that were on the side. I'm trying to remember what that one was.
Ready?
What's the werewolf towards defense?
Alright. You go first. Oh crap, a 19. 18. You win by 1.
Alright, so I'll
Raylin
do Raylin first.
6 spaces. Or 8 spaces.
6 and fly.
It landed in my special order markers. Mine like him. He's gonna go.
Is he trying to do it too?
1, 2, 3, 4. And then. No.
I don't know if I want her on there. Considering the order.
Yeah, at the end of the round, you'll.
Yeah. Lose a life.
Moving your dragon. While you're moving Raylin. Alright, yep. 1, 2, 3, 4.
3 dice added to his 2.
I think I'll just stay there actually. I don't want to be too far out.
Alright. Omnicron are first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna go there. And then I guess I'll go there. Yeah, but he's got some stealth flying guys with him. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well,
That's what we like to see. Oh, 16. Alright, he's out of range, so I can't mind like.
I'll go there. Okay. So this one is close enough to Taylord. So I'm going to get 2 attack up on Raylin.
I should have rolled 7.
Nothing.
I'll take that.
This one's within as well, and they're the same height. So this one's getting 2. 4.
She's going to use her special attack. Sorry, you're going to have to lose it. She gets.
2, 3, and you said it's 11.
Yep. 3 wounds. And this last guy does not get tailored, so he just gets 1 dice.
Come on, kill him early. Kill him
Nope,
early.
your turn.
3 is big.
Alright.
That's a huge kill. That's a huge kill.
Yeah, it's on .org. Alright, my turn. It's like just no.
You only have 1
Bond with the dragon, and then you can use that.
No, not the wound marker.
Oh, wait, can you?
Yep, you bond with the dragon, and then if they're within 2 spaces, they get +1 attack and defense if they stay within 2 of the dragon.
No one wants to pick
No,
up.
I didn't realize that they bonded.
Yep,
Okay.
that's the only reason he gave you them.
That makes sense, I guess.
Yep.
I'm like, dude, they bond? This sucks. I can't do anything. Okay, I can.
Oh yeah.
I take back everything I was thinking.
6 moves.
And they have 5.
Yep, 5. You can end on, well, it would be there, yeah. And that's fine because ice is not higher, so.
I do have. I could do a special attack.
Yep, 7 range, so you can only go for 1 of them. And the special with this one, if you don't know, is when you hit someone, it affects everybody.
Okay. I'll probably do the majestic fire.
So now that you've already done what you've done, the next games you do, you should leave this one up far, start the game, and if you go first, you can fly her up and bomb somebody's start zone.
Oh,
It's a
I
special.
didn't even know that
Oh,
was
it's
a
the
thing.
I didn't want to tell you until now.
Normal attack. First.
Okay, yeah, I'll do the special attack and I'll target him.
All right, I get 3. You get whatever 3 you think. Or no, I get 2, I think, because I get -1 for being
Attack. Common squad figures roll 2 less.
2 less, so I get 1 defense. There you go.
There.
So if you roll anything, I'm probably screwed. Oh,
Wow, that's awful.
never mind. Snipers. Let's see.
This guy definitely can see
He dies.
This guy.
I'm gonna go up here
We'll say leave up.
with
And
him,
I'm gonna pounce
Just
again.
to be.
and
This one comes right here.
I'm gonna go up here with him, and I'm gonna go there with him.
Move to her space.
So I'm gonna start with 2 attack because of Taylor to Raylan. 4.
Yep.
Mind link.
4 attack.
Okay. On the dragon, I'm assuming, or Raylan?
4 Raylan. Dead Raylan.
Yep.
Sorry, yeah, that's a little.
And then the others do not have tailored, but they have height, so I'm gonna go for the dragon.
Gonna go here.
Oops, missed that one. 2.
And then
3, 4.
Yeah.
No, already had 4. Okay.
That bush might actually
1 wound.
and something for once.
And 2 attack on the dragon again. 4.
I don't think I can see Alistair.
Getting that a lot. That's why they're hero killers. 2 wounds. 3 life
and then
left.
he's gonna range
Back to you.
Oh my!
This one.
Oh, man.
sorry.
Oh, crap, I never did move the green scales.
4.
Alex must be rolling good. What'd you say?
So I never did move the green
No, those
scales.
Oh, you didn't. Go ahead and move 3. I'm sorry. I wasn't thinking about it either. So move 3 for that turn. I wouldn't have shot them anyway. And then you can take your turn 3 when you're done.
You count up a level.
No, not for the shadow. You count when you go up from the
And remember, if you're within 2 of this dragon, you get +1 attack and +1 defense also.
Guess I should reconsider.
How much is his movement?
Yeah, Kirk doesn't tell me anything with my armies.
Here's what you're using.
Yep.
Oh man.
Gonna attack until again.
Though if I get
This one to Alistair. He gets nothing.
If you're on the ice on the lava, you're good.
Roll for surviving.
And the last one to Alistair. 4 skulls.
6.
Luckily, they're fast.
Okay.
No, she isn't.
There you go.
And
4, 5.
You roll at least 3
All right.
or
And 1 more. All right. Now your third turn.
now this guy.
Is that what your turn 3 is? All right. Now you can do that.
I'll do the special attack again, and I'll try going here, and then affecting the ones around.
Well, it's only if you're adjacent.
Oh,
So just
only
be him
adjacent?
still.
You can't attack the same person.
What's his name?
Yeah,
13.
is only for each of your damage.
Does damage if I roll a
I
13.
think I'll still do the special.
On him?
Yeah.
All right. So I think I get 2 because I'm above you. And you give me -2. So.
Is this guy even? Or
He's above you as well. They're even and below you.
Ezra, Zakai. Chill, brother.
Here, look.
Pretty good.
I get to
Maybe I'll do this one then.
All right. So I'll get 1 defense.
I know. I have 3, yeah.
Oh. Yeah, give Zorg more wounds.
No.
You got 1. Defended.
Ezra.
Turn 3, I have Taylored. We're gonna go there, and that's it. That's the round. So new round.
Okay. Next round, you go here. Yeah. And I think you only get to move someone when it's the first time you attack someone.
All right.
So you'll get to move one person and you essentially keep shooting at this guy.
4, 5, 6. So I can mind link with him. And mind link with
Ready?
I think so.
All right.
You want to check?
15. 8. May 1st. 1.
I'm sorry, Ron.
All right. Let me think here.
Steph wouldn't count. Yes, but he's checking stuff. He's just in that phase of checking stuff, so can't really give him anything.
Just barely.
A little baggy.
What do I want to do?
So I'm at 3.
Boring. Yeah.
Oh!
He wants to roll dice.
No.
Wait.
Doesn't quite work.
We'll go there. There. No, I don't want to do that. We'll go there, there,
If I try and move
and
away.
there.
Yes.
So I gotta kill
All right.
that fucking wolf.
So, oh crap.
That's for you.
Okay, you're getting back now.
So not your wolf.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you can see all of them.
Dark wolf.
So they all get to roll 3 because they're above and have tail order.
Okay.
So I'll start with an attack on Zelrig there. Nothing. He'll just. He'll attack the green scale. Nothing again. Oh my gosh. Dragon.
How many do you have? 2 of them left?
Come on, come on, come on.
Like
2.
swaps.
That was a bad turn.
Squads plus 1. Oh,
We have
he's hiding
defensive
behind that bush. Alright.
Yep. You blocked it. Back to you.
green scales.
We're going to
Bonding with the dragon.
special attack from him
Ezra, remember, here, he's dead.
no height advantage, but he gets plus 4 or plus 3. So,
Big bad dragon.
I suppose
I'll take a
just
first
him.
starting tonight.
Okay.
You take a 4, maybe 3.
1, 2, 3. He's going to use his range attack.
5, 6.
He gets
All right, now where are you going?
And then this will
See, now you're thinking.
I know, I was like, brain's not here. I'll do the special attack, and I'll do
Alright.
Those
this
two.
guy and affect that one too.
They both get 1 then, and you get 3.
He went over to Bother Ridge because we're not giving him attention.
Good. Bother. So I'll do this guy first. Dead. Dead.
Moore's Bane.
Now your green scales could go.
Okay.
And you got 1 hide in there.
These were almost easier to lose like 6 months ago. Now you're like,
Move a 6.
Yeah. Right there, okay. And one other one.
See you on that giant
At least you're within 2 of the dragon there. So he's the only one attacking, but he'll have height on him if you go there. But he's 3 away from the dragon, so you don't get extra for that. So that'll be 3 on 3 or 3 on or 2 on 3.
Roll for the leaf.
You said if it's obviously I have.
Yeah, if you're above, you get 3.
Okay.
Yep.
I'll do that then.
Alright. Come on, buddy. Nope. Now the offense wants to happen. 2 is them. And now things are getting a little crazy. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. He can't reach that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll do 2 down on the dragon. Dang, 0. And then I was gonna use these 2. I guess I'll do 2. Oops. 2 to the guy next to me. 2.
With werewolf.
Ah, come on.
I thought it was gonna be attack for a minute. It scared me. Then it flipped it different.
You're right. Then he's gonna go ahead and attack the dragon.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, 0. Awful. Your turn. This isn't good.
And he has ranged attack, and he has height, so he will attack the werewolf one. 6.
I think I'll do that.
Okay.
I'll just attack this one and affect them.
He'll have 1, he'll have 2.
So special.
Oh, well, that helped me. Both of us are rolling bad offense.
And green scale.
Yeah, you got those 3 still.
Oh yeah, that's only at the end of the round. So as long as
I want to move them away from the dragon for an attack.
Everybody surrounding the
Yeah, so I
character
don't want to hit
attack.
my own guy. This is the one.
It's not that it changes anything,
I don't
but
That changes. At least I'm engaged.
I'm attacking the floor.
That what you want to do?
yeah.
That, and that.
I'll just start here and go around.
All right, you get 3 attack because you're close to the dragon.
Force goal.
Nope.
And again. Wow.
Jeez, no one wants to attack. Then you got whichever of them. High one. All right, you get 2 attack now for both of them.
Yeah. Okay, 2.
Oh, dead.
I am going
And then that one.
Lake Moore's Vein.
Ooh,
No good.
maybe my 3rd turn will do something.
Attack.
We're gonna definitely go there.
Only range now.
I'm gonna
Same thing with the
go.
jungle trees.
Yeah, I want to get away from him, so I'll go there, and then I'll go. This is round 3, though.
Yeah.
Maybe I don't want to do that. Let me back up. He is doing that.
Werewolf Lord?
Yeah. We're on the same level.
He'll go there,
And then the other person
and
I'm going
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
He's being
1, 2,
good
3,
for
4. Well,
up to 2 different else. All right, then we'll do
we'll go there, I guess.
All right, so
We need to raise 2 kids.
2 plus
So he will shoot dragon. Hopefully for 6. 0.
we're still gonna use the
0 again. What about? I'll do 3 on that one. Oh, 1, 2, 2. So 2 there.
And I have
You're down to
defense.
2 squads, or do you still
Yep.
have 5? All right. Werewolf Lord.
Both of us have been rolling really bad attacks. And then this guy will have 2. Actually, the dragon's below me. I'm going to do 3 down on the dragon. Oh, jeez. Come on. Give me at least 1. Oh! That's painful with them. Because it's almost like I'm throwing 6 attack die and I'm getting 0 all the time. Back to you.
Well, I actually chose the crab. I
Okay.
wasn't sure what was going to happen, so I wanted to fail safe.
That's smart.
I mean, you can put it on
Now it
board.
sucks though. 'cause
At
I
least
don't-
now they'll be kind of closer to where they should be
Right.
for the battle.
Okay, move of 6.
I mean, if it was like,
Good thing I got railing at least. Otherwise, it'd be really hard to kill.
So he has 3. It goes up to 5 plus 1 because
damn
of
it,
height.
that's not right. I hate that.
We've got
When does that happen? Whenever it's his turn?
It has to be
6, okay.
So it's not when it's a bomb.
Alright,
Alright,
who's
so-
doing what?
clarify that.
I'll probably have 3.
I get one more.
I don't know if I want to attack him or him. How many life he has 5?
Yeah, he has 5 life, yeah.
Guess I'll attack him.
Alright.
Crab.
So you get 3 and I get 3.
So then this one's going to attack into that guy. This will be
Oh.
Nothing again.
See, this is crazy. I'm about to change my dice. We're both.
Taking 4.
6 dice. Because I charged and I
And then another 3, I will.
Up on him.
Yeah, probably. That's
4,
probably
5,
best
6, 7. I mean, you could shoot way over here, I guess. That's the same height as you. It's up to you.
Alright.
Congratulations.
If we can't reach him, obviously. Yeah, I guess I'll attack him.
Alright.
Going up.
Alright.
So what is he considered now?
3. Oh, 2. Yes. That's big.
One time I actually.
You still get this guy, though.
Yeah.
When I kill those,
Yeah, I think I can attack.
You can only get him. So 3 on 3.
Yeah.
This one's just going to
Yeah.
Oh, I totally missed everything. Dead. Now I get 3 skulls. Alright. New round. Stuff's getting scary. I have 5 dead guys.
Oh crap! I have to roll for.
Oh, you do, and I do too. Yep.
We both have to roll for lava.
Yep. So I'll store. Dead. Great. Die. You better die. You better die. Now half my guys are dead.
and then he'll attack.
We rolled for lava. If he killed his guy, mine
He'll
was
attack the
dead.
one that's the same level as
That's always nice.
Yeah.
He was like, die, and I'm like, no.
Oh,
we really-
it's nice for her.
Alright, we're gonna use him.
That's sucky.
I did it,
I better go first.
and then you would have had to end your turn.
Or I'm screwed.
We reset.
That would have been great.
That would have sucked.
Are we set in order?
Yeah, you were first, so there's no. He gets 4 for 3 for same level, 4 for height.
Man, oh
I
man.
don't know.
So it's 4.
It's always when I get to the 3rd turn, I don't know who to give it to. You
Yeah.
literally have no idea what's gonna happen. You don't want to like screw yourself.
Right.
Big decisions.
Especially with this army where I either blank or I full blast somebody.
Yeah, yeah.
Ready? 4, 2.
That's my turn.
The opposite.
I needed that. Green scales.
Hey Nick, I got done for you then.
Ah, yeah, I have a while yet.
I will attack these 2. The
Okay,
special.
go ahead.
So, crack of 3.
That's you.
Ooh, well he's dead automatically, and Savar is 1 wound, so he has 3 left. Alright, let's see a little retribution here for once.
Alright, scalies.
Oh yeah, sorry. Go ahead. I wasn't thinking. I got all excited again. So you got that one.
This is a daring move.
Oh, I did kill one. Okay.
I can tie
Yeah.
all of these guys up though, which is good.
Yeah. And you got him and one of them way back there.
2 skulls.
I think I remember seeing you once. It was at one date.
Damage. Even height.
Yeah, I would have been down there once.
Will's got me in like 10.
What's he here?
Yeah, I think so.
Freaking Jotun has way too much health and way too much attack. I have no answer for it right now.
Switch out the problem so you don't accidentally damage your.
He's right there.
So,
Okay, he'll go there.
All right, and that one.
I read the card. I think what he has what determines.
Now I'm in deep
Killed the werewolf
crap.
lord in 1 turn, 2 turns.
Okay, I'll do 2 attacks.
Okay. Where are you going first? Oh, well, he's obvious if you want to do that first.
Yeah, I'll do that one first.
All right, 2 on 3.
I'll attack the 2.
1, 2, okay, and then that one. They all got same defense, but he has 5 life.
Maybe I'll try him. Just maybe try to get a good shot.
Yeah,
Something.
maybe. Nope, not that time. Okay, now my first turn. We've both been rolling crappy offense.
Oh wow, yeah. I got lucky. Got 1 shot with Laga.
Ooh.
Took out the big Morrow guy that likes to stomp on you.
Oh, nice. Oh, that's really good.
I actually want to like roll it up to his face, so that's why I didn't miss because I was like point blank.
Like, bing.
Literally, the game was actually going against me, and then until that happened, then it switched.
Yeah.
6, I believe.
Elf army. Oh.
Uh,
I'm rolling for negation on him.
Don't you dare.
Oh, this will be fun to watch.
definitely want to do that.
Now I'm attacking. I've never seen negation work before.
Okay, I'm gonna do
What's his
I'm gonna do
defense or attack?
2 up on him. Hopefully, I can do something there. 2. So you get 4 defense.
Hey, Kirk, how many Probably 4 with 1 damage. Yeah, you just kind of
Dead. That was him. And then I get extra attack for height for both of them. So 3, 2. That's okay. That's something at least. You get 4. Two. All right, let's see the big one. 2 again. You're gonna live no matter what. Now.
Because I killed the one.
2 wounds, 1 life
So wait, he can
left,
still
but it's still
use his
alive.
bond and it's other.
Now it's getting spooky for both of us. Back to you. Who do you got? That one?
Yeah.
No more. Well, I guess there's 1 double shot maybe. Normal attacking me?
Yeah, you get around.
You can go there or there probably.
I'm surprised you haven't pelted.
I mean,
It's higher
I
attack.
think I'm gonna attack the hero guy.
With the normal attack? Because then you have 4 attack.
Yeah,
Alright, that'd be better for you.
I think so. Yeah.
Alright. 4 Savaris. He didn't do anything.
No, he's just back there chilling, taking you out.
Gonna get eaten by a dragon. Ah, 1 wound. Half dead. And then your green scales. So that one and 2 others. And they're too far to do anything.
He has 5.
I know.
So 6.
That helps a little bit. Okay.
Can we spring around?
He's there. And 1 of them.
alright, the other one's gonna stay on target.
Alright. So you can move him too if you want. It's up to you.
Maybe I'll go here.
There you go.
Attack the door.
Ooh. 3 on, well, 4 on 3 because you're next to your dragon now.
Oh yeah.
We got Moore's Bane.
Height and dragon. That's awesome. Now I'm probably gonna die. Ooh, whoops. Dead.
Or wait.
That was nice.
This one has throw and walk
Alright.
away.
Alright, then.
Sure.
13 minutes.
So I'm gonna go, and he's already there. I'm gonna go there. I wanna go,
Alright, and he's gonna attack the werewolf lord.
oh boy, running out of guns.
Yep.
Bond.
Second.
Werewolf.
Scary.
Lord.
I know I want to do that, so you don't do your one
I
shield
didn't
thing.
reveal an order mark on, so I can't actually use it.
And then we'll just come up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first, this guy gets 3 down on dragon. 2, 4, 4. You need to get all blue.
Like all or nothing.
Oh yeah. Ooh, you got 2, but
Close.
here you go.
Oh, there's finally down.
Yep, you got it. And then I'll use this one here. He'll only get 1 dice,
With the same letter.
but I didn't get anything. Okay. And then this guy, he doesn't have height.
One time I didn't do any shield.
I'll do 2 attack to that one, and I'll just hope he blanks.
He has more health.
4. Yep, now I really hope he blanks. So 4 to him, but if you get 1 blue, you live, because stealth dodge. A ranged attack, you just need 1 blue for it. And then you live. You got it. So you live. Back to you. Oops.
Stop it.
Probably a good thing. Yep.
Crap.
Crapo.
So he has a better view of
Now
the other guy.
Now I'm really in trouble.
The head is in the way.
Yeah, they don't come out at all, and it's like if they come out
Yeah.
the game,
Start with him.
there's no
attacking
safe
werewolf lord.
I knew if you move like
What's
Yeah,
that?
there's some things you can do. Middle.
they're good. I mean,
Mid-game.
they're pricey.
No, I'm allowed to flip him.
I guess I'll try to attack him.
I just don't know if I'm free.
Yeah,
Then
there's definitely.
13.
No, if you turn your character, that's not a move.
Seems easy.
You can turn any of your guys and move them during
Not a scumbag are you? Hurting them too.
Alright, so. Alright, so I have height, so I
Dude
get
is
4.
scared and it's
I
apparent.
have to do that.
I'm attacking him to werewolf.
Into the lava. Round 3.
Alright.
In all reality, I was.
Alright, then we're gonna do him
I'm
with
not gonna reach
his.
there anyway. Okay, yeah,
Does
I'll
he
just
have
go.
range?
That way
No,
I'll
so I have
reach
to use
him.
the fire.
Alright.
No, I
So I'll
have
do an attack there,
Okay.
and
Alright.
then 2 attacks
regular
on him.
attack then I guess.
Well, this one has to go for him.
Or
'cause-
sorry, 1 attack on him and that.
Alright.
Forgot he was there. Kind of blended in.
Yeah. Alright, which one first? This guy?
Alright.
Yeah, I'll go.
So you get 4 because of height. I'm probably gonna die. Oh! Thank you.
Okay,
And then which of them?
I'll attack this one.
Okay, so it's 3 on 3. 1,
I get 3, but
2 defended. And that one.
Did we get 15s over the summer? iPhone 15s?
15 Pro.
Nothing.
Yeah.
My turn, and then the round. This is pretty cool.
It's a Pro Max.
Alright,
I like the ones that I can use more of my thumb without having to like my hand.
Take 2 Leo.
you
You're
roll
just
one and
doing
I
the
heal
one
it.
move.
man, oh man, oh man.
You're just
Yeah, I'm not
and then
gonna
I'll
do
heal
it.
it.
That would be a bad idea. Just
Okay. It's added. I get a healing glyph. I heal it. Now that's off the board.
Wait, you get all, it heals every sheet.
Full heal.
Yeah, they've
He's going
airborne.
there.
The airborne.
That's a bad matchup.
Yeah,
I'll do
it's
that, I
against
guess.
melee,
And I'll use those 3.
It's not a whole lot you can do against.
So I'll do 1 dice there.
I don't
And you can
want
do
to
it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good for him. Or
I think he did.
Should I risk that?
You had 2. I never took it.
Nah.
Did you take these
So I'll roll here.
I thought I took
2 attack. Now you need 2 because I'm next to you.
I saw that you had one at one point.
Defense.
I don't know why that happened.
Yeah.
your turn. Or no, initiative.
But you had 2.
Got that one.
Yeah, you were. Yeah, I was.
And then
thinking
he
that
will
was
go
good.
there.
Yeah, so he's
Oops, I missed. Nothing. And then he gets 6 attack.
Which is not half.
Yeah, that's not a whole lot.
And I'll go on.
So summoning is
It doesn't do anything.
I'll go on him.
has range.
Yeah, I'll go on him. 6.
So the ones that
6 attack. That's an auto kill, actually.
I was gonna roll just to roll. I don't know.
You can. Either way. Alright, new round. Now I gotta think. Thinksies. Thinksies.
I need initiative here. We'll really need it.
That's right, they are static, dude.
Alright,
Attack of 5 going up.
on Jotun.
We need to
Bailey, negated.
we'll take marker off.
We need to buy more mezzos.
I mean, it
I'll do that.
It helps
Okay.
a little, but not
There we
a
go.
ton. It's still just a devastating attack.
Ready?
That was your second order marker, right?
Go ahead.
Well, I mean, we can't.
I thought it was a 20 for a second. I was like, okay. 3. You're first.
Alright.
Alright,
Yeah, because your
Oh boy.
from behind the
Oh, that's right.
What are we doing? Now it's getting to the point no matter who you attack.
Shit.
It's
Don't get
hurting.
the hyper
Big time.
Attack the werewolf.
It's no big secret.
Ooh.
Defended.
And that guy.
Oh, you only have.
You only got 3. Yeah. 3 left.
I still have my edge.
Like I said,
Okay. Who's that one attacking though? Elf probably.
yeah, I'll do the hero
So
again.
2 on 2.
from here, yeah. Or either one. And then
I
another one.
cannot roll to save my life.
Then 2 on 3.
I haven't exactly rolled even like.
Yeah, but I killed Raylan in 2 of his attacks.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh,
Got an order marker, baby.
dead.
There's not much.
He has 6.
That was big.
Now my McDirt.
Now I only have 3 of them, and I have them first.
2 minutes of the game.
You couldn't lose.
Now I have to
After
use
the first
him.
round, you couldn't lose. There's nothing.
So it's my turn now?
He's attacking.
I want to
So are
go
you just playing for points right now?
there
Still playing.
What am I gonna do?
and there.
We don't have to.
Oh, really? What if the game
So we'll do him first.
Well, that, yeah.
Then you have to.
2. That's the crab, so you get 3 there. Didn't know if you could see him back there.
Do I get a?
Oh,
Do I
kind
get
of
an
forgot he
extra
was there.
shadow die
Oh, you got 2.
since it's ranged?
He'll have 3.
Alright, I'm going out here, I guess.
Ah, nothing.
You get extra.
And then I have to attack this one, so. Oops.
Well, I'm
Damn.
Extra shadow defense dice and a special attack.
You get 1 extra defense no matter what, as long as you're not huge.
That's good.
Even for adjacent attacks?
Yeah. Yep. Bushes are the ones, bushes and tree jungle ones, they're the ones that you have to be ranged. Yep.
It's gone both ways at least.
Okay, my turn.
Yep.
You want gold, you get an extra one here.
Free scales
Alright,
again.
so I get an extra
Yep, this is
one.
not good. At all. Oh boy.
I'm debating if I want to try
He needs to
taking
be
out a
large.
hero.
I'm counting you.
Large count.
Attack one time.
Right.
I feel like that would be bigger.
We got like 2 squads.
And you still got that guy too.
So it sounds like. Yeah,
Maybe I should have killed the green scale.
What? We have 2. The unit's not in that play.
Oh. Yeah, you would have to stop on that if you want. You can go this way though, maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh.
You need probably 4 squads.
But you could take the defense and get extra defense. It's up to you.
I was kind
Or try to go for me there. On the hill.
Okay, whatever. 2, 3.
Alright.
of. The thing with that is you would have height.
Yeah.
Trying to find a way to get through the 1 height.
Come on, Kirk. Don't min-max this, Kirk.
nice chill game for
I think I'll risk it.
Done?
Or wait,
I feel like attack is an attack.
Jotun's move?
Yep. So which one first?
I'll do this guy.
2 on 2. Alright. This is gonna be real close. Unless somebody rolls really good and somebody rolls really bad. 2. Block. 1 more attack on him. 1.
And we're going
1. There you go, Savaris. He's gonna clean it up in the end.
playing for points.
And then you get 2 there. I get 4 for height. Sweet. 2 is on the Omnicrons.
Where's Ezra, honey? I can hear
I'm gonna make you chase me.
I thought I heard Ezra.
So, boom, boom, boom.
Your turn, who's up?
I'm gonna do my first attack of 3 down on him again. Actually, no, I'll do him. I'll do him on him first for 2. 2. Now maybe I'll kill the green scales, maybe. Ah, come on! All right. Him on the crab. 2. Come on. Roll some red. Oh my gosh! Okay, well, 1 on him. And it's up. Back to you. Oh crap.
Scales again.
Oh man.
You got height?
Okay, I'll just do the same thing. I'll do these 2 and then.
Alright.
Only 1 percent.
Nothing. There we go. That's what we like. Do it again. 1. Okay. 1. And then him. Alright, that's decent. Come on, get a blue. Oh, got a blue. That's good enough. Sivaris. So, obviously I'm staying there. I'll do 3 on him. 2, 1. 1. You get 3. And I'll do the same guy. 2. Die. Oh!
Yes.
She keeps getting 2 out of 3 blue. Hang it. Alright, new round.
Just get them away so you don't get the rerolls.
Poopy stinky. Oh, what did I do here?
What's that?
Yeah. Sure.
Simon.
I
don't think
And where is it? We'll do that. That.
Where did you say you have $10 cash?
In my server agent.
Oh, you're just down to all finish?
He's got me, I think. It's just a
In
matter
my
of him
usual
catching
spot.
I'll carry this with me, it doesn't matter. I'm not going home and setting it on the counter
forget
somewhere
his
and
chair,
being
too.
like, oh, thanks for coming.
Off to see Joe.
Yeah.
1,
No, I know.
I hope I win this roll.
I'm gonna grab your crop. We have cards for everything, right? Yeah.
I don't know.
She has all the cards for hers, so.
I have all mine.
I don't know where my I'm missing 1 crop and 1 airborne.
we're going to attack.
Oh yeah! 1. 15. Woo!
We're going to attack.
There we go. Alright. So now he'll go for him again.
I get +1 attack because
2.
Defensive.
Roll average. Roll average.
Take kill shot.
Oh my gosh. That is
I rolled another
insane.
I needed that kill shot, Diggy. I needed that kill.
There you go.
Yay.
Now he's gonna die though. 4, he's dead, yes.
This guy.
Thanks for doing that. Alright, and then the green scale, just 1. 2.
He doesn't even have one.
He has the wolves.
3 die.
Yeah, if you go to the wolves, then he loses in
All 3 blue. At least I got 1 kill that time. Back to you. Oh my gosh, this is a good one. It's gonna come down to
Same
the
thing.
end.
4, 2.
I have a bad feeling about this.
Harry is putting up the light.
Unless you keep rolling blue.
Wants to attack with his huge.
Ah,
Oh, fuck. I don't know.
no. Swapping these out.
I thought you had said.
Oh!
Again? My goodness.
Cursed dice. Ooh, he's gonna kill him though. Yep.
Okay, he's fine enough.
Off the height. Back to me. So that was a good one for you. I guess I'll stay there. We'll do 2 down on him.
Defended. We're alive. We're so alive.
Wow.
Is that worth
Gary is
that?
fighting.
We're alive. We're so alive.
Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna get off height so I'm not on
Andy
lava.
kills the wolf because of the pounds. That's so tough.
Nothing. And then him.
Alright.
2.
Alright, we're gonna
2 on the lizard man.
attack this one.
The second attack.
+1 for the cliff.
Get him.
Got him, finally. Still one over there, though.
Dead.
Back to you.
Oh man, they'll only have one wolf to attack unless it's
Oh, man.
He does
What's
lose.
gonna happen?
All right.
Yeah, I'm gonna go
Down here.
Okay.
Oops.
So just 4 dice again.
Taylor's getting some fighting action.
Big league. We're
And,
live.
I'll just
We're
attack
so live.
those two.
All right. So on him first.
We're gonna tag jokes in here. Alright.
A wound. His first wound. And the elf.
This is bad.
Oh, I might be dead. I'm dead. You finally killed Savaris.
Only took me 1,000 years.
Luckily, my turn was tailored.
I only have 3. I died.
And I'm gonna go 3 on him. 1.
That was a good fight. Good fight. It's a good fight.
Oh, there it goes. Dead. All right, new round.
I've been dropping.
Oh, you do? Do you?
You won.
I went first. Yeah. You had 1. Yeah.
No, but I might still be able to.
So not new round yet. So it might be 2 on 2 here in a second. 2 on 3. Might be 2 characters versus 2. Oh. Okay. Well, still, I only have 1 more figure than you. So that's spooky.
Is on my menu. So then they're gonna go.
Oh man.
What he had left.
I think that would be smart. It's a one-time chance. 16.
There we go. Ready?
By far the best.
Yeah.
9. You're first.
Where did the
Alright. Green scale. Nothing
Nope.
again.
That's rough. We got them first, so I'm gonna hop back on height and go for him. So yeah, so 2 dice there. Nothing. No. 1 dice there. 1, 2. Sorry, because I double. So 2.
Defense of 3.
I think you spend too many turns advanced. Because you
Got
have to
it.
swing your whole arm. You know what I mean?
That sucks. So is that your next turn?
So you can
Yeah,
move
it was
4,
actually.
including him.
Well, my next turn's him, so I might be in a bad place there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
bad formation because I
Three
need this to
attack.
have certain people.
2, you need 2 defenses.
I was going to say,
You get 3 to roll though.
by the fact that I'm
Come on.
Nope.
Dang.
That was scary. I was super nervous. That when I was getting no attack all the time. I'm gonna turn this off. So see you guys next time.